Look at Big Daddy helping me film today. Get off the phone!
I just winked at you though.
Oh, I couldn't tell. My bad. I take it back. Let's start over. Look at Big Daddy helping me film today.
No, I just got my shit list for today.
To my man. Thank you to my man.
Put it down.
My intrusive thoughts almost won. You are not the star of the show.
Can't push me out the camera though.
This is my platform. Get out of here.
Welcome back to the Devin and Desiree show.
It's the Desiree and Devin show.
Devin and Desiree, say it with me.
Desiree and
Desiree. As my assistant will make the jam today, I will supervise to make sure she's doing it right.
You are so cringy at this. Can you scoot?
If I scoot anymore, I'm not going to be in the picture.
That's the point.
Sure, don't even look in there because you're going to be like,
I
oh,
was
you look nasty. Let's go. You're going to do this shit blindfolded. Come on. If I pull your hair, it'd be like Ratatouille, where he's pulling the hair.
We're using cherries fresh off of our cherry tree. How many cups of cherries do you think this is?
Oh, 1.5.
We're using 2 cups of cherries. I was just gonna guesstimate. We don't have to actually measure. I just wanted to have a number to put in here.
You can't do that.
Why can't
You
you?
gotta let people know. Don't want to throw them off.
You're making this way too complex. I already don't like you here. About 2 cups of cherries, like I said.
That looks like 1.5. That looks like 1.5.
1.5 cup of cherries and the cherry juice.
I am good with measurements.
You good at getting on my damn nerves too.
You're right about that.
You're supposed to use real lemons and put a squeeze of lemon juice, but we're gonna work with the lemon juice straight from Aldi. I'm gonna give you a tablespoon.
Oh, now you want to measure stuff. Now, I got a half a teaspoon.
Just give me the teaspoon.
I don't have a teaspoon, I said a half.
You said a half a teaspoon.
You said give me the teaspoon. I don't have a teaspoon. How many teaspoons in the tablespoon?
I don't know, I was wondering the same thing. How
You're the
many
baker.
teaspoons in a tablespoon? There is 3 teaspoons. So since you only gave me half a teaspoon, what are you doing? You're not even helping me. Do 3 Can you stop looking like you're here to just chill and like stand up and look like you're trying to help?
Okay, I'm sorry. How many? 6? Don't miss. Don't miss. Stop. What are you doing? You suck at this.
What are you
doing?
Why are you shaking?
You're shaking. I'm not shaking you.
I'm gonna kick you out of this kitchen. We forgot to mention add about half a bottle of honey. Why are you holding it so weird?
I'm shaking something too much.
Quit shaking.
See, that's why I can't be the cameraman. That's why I'm the star.
I will slap you with this spatula.
I'm wearing white. Don't do that.
From here, you're going to remove about 4 tablespoons of the juice and add half a teaspoon of cornstarch and mix together until you get a little bit of a slurry. Put that back into the reduction to thicken it up. We're using an old pepperoni jar because we ghetto, I guess. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Wait, I'm not ready yet. No, you got to do it to the side.
I'm probably going to spill it anyway.
Well, figure out how to not spill it.
I need that.
Are you a content creator or what?
No.
Well, you act like it. You're in content. Now create. Wait. To the side. What are you... Hold on. No. What are you doing? Oh my God. And you supposed to be the star of the show.
I am. Still am. It's alright. I'm missing just a little bit. Not much, though. It's alright. We're good. We still good.
This is a hot-ass mess.
I mean, it really is. It's hot and it's a mess. If it's good, I made it.
Stop talking. We ended up not liking the consistency. So what we did, we took about half of the jam out and put it into a blender with a little bit of water until we got a sort of liquidy consistency that wasn't too thin, but just thick enough to try to liquefy the jam a little bit. And so when you add a little bit of water with the cherry jam that you already made, it's going to come out like this. Put that into a saucepan, cook it down, and you're going to get something that looks like this. Enjoy! My oldest thought this tasted like ass, by the way. Your own platform. I tried to have you make your own. I don't do social media like that.
I just pop off better than yours.
What?
I just pop off better than yours. I do better than yours. That's what I can see. Like right now. This is what we
Yeah.
You about to be touching all in the chairs. You was all in my ass.